What's up guys, Eric here. Today I'll be going to unbox the Cyclone Boys shiny 3x3 cube. Yeah, let's just get right into it. Alright, let me open the box. Okay, here we go. That's the cube inside. Alright, here's the cube. Let me just take this thing away. Okay, let's just open this thing. Alright, we have this super shiny cube here. Okay, let's do some first turns. Alright, so out of the box, the cube is very fast. And it's a little bit dry inside, but it's very speedy. I can do it very quick on this cube. And the color cutting is also very good. Yeah. And the size is very shiny. I can even see myself here. Yeah, this is so cool. Okay, this is definitely the coolest cube in the world I've ever seen. Anyway, let's just do a quick solve. Okay, here we go. It's very shiny, and it's very hard to see the colors. Wait, what color is that? And we have a T-Pearl. Yeah. Oh my god. That's it. Overall, this cube is insane. It's pretty fast. And corner cutting, very good. And the cube is so shiny. Look at this. And yeah, let's just do a checkerboard pattern. Look how cool is this. So yeah. Okay, so this is pretty much it for the Cyclone Boys shiny cube unboxing. Yeah. Okay, so make sure to like, subscribe, share the video, and I'll see you next time for more. Bye.